5 years from now, either you'll say, I really transformed my life, or you'll say, I'm still in the same place I was 5 years ago. Guess what makes the difference? Not a training course, not a lecture, not even a podcast. I'm talking about a decision. A decision so simple it seems ridiculous, but it's real, because it's that one choice that determines whether you progress or just let your days pass by. Welcome to the most expensive 90 minutes of your life. Every time you hit the alarm clock, you're not just buying 90 minutes of sleep. You're paying with your future. I'm serious. Research shows your brain is up to 40% more focused in the first 90 minutes after waking. That means you're basically wasting a cheat code. Maybe scrolling Instagram comments arguing with strangers, or scrolling online shops and buying things you don't even need, right? Doesn't that sound familiar? Now, what really is the secret of successful people? The people you admire, your role models, they aren't heroes. They don't meditate on a mountaintop at sunrise. They're just awake. They don't get up at 5 a.m. because they love the sound of their alarm. They get up because that moment is a golden mental window. No messages, no notifications, no distractions. Just pure focus. It's not about loving mornings or being a morning person. It's about not wasting your time on cat videos. That's a huge difference, and this difference in 5 years could become everything you've always wanted. Or another year of asking the same question, why nothing changes. Now, if you hate mornings, the good news is I'm not here to force motivation on you or yell, work harder. I'm not coming at you with a stick. I'm just here to show you a lever to change the game. Because if you take just 1 hour in the morning for yourself, you gain a mental edge over 95% of people who get out of bed and immediately jump into Instagram. And you know that 95% of people have this behavior and spend the whole day wondering why they're stressed and falling behind others. The truth is, that first hour after waking isn't just morning. It's a mental launchpad. In that time, your brain is at peak dopamine, the very chemical your brain loves. Your cortisol has risen enough to turn you from a potato into a human. And if you can steer that magical chemical instead of wasting it, you activate what scientists call brain neuroplasticity. Simply put, it means your brain is like wet cement. Whatever you put in now stays that way. If right now you're watching Instagram drama, you're hacking distraction into your brain. But if you plan, write, move, or learn something real, you're hacking growth. Real growth. Compound growth. Growth of the kind, the world is in my hands. And that one small but critical hour over 5 years can turn into thousands of hours while others are still looking for the second sock. So now you ask, what should I do at 5 a.m.? First, stay calm. You're not supposed to sit and write a whole book of your goals and then forget it. A routine may seem simple, but it's extremely powerful. We need the 5 a.m. hour, so let's go through this routine. Step 1. Drink water. Drink it like your dreams depend on it, because they really do. After a full night's sleep, your brain's battery is low. To wake it up and use your peak alertness and focus, you need water. And by the way, this is also a Chinese habit for better organ health. They drink a glass of water in the morning after waking. Step 2. Make your bed and tidy your surroundings. You can't imagine how much this small act can calm and focus your mind. A clean space equals a clear mind, and a clear mind equals better decision-making. It's like telling your brain, I'm in control. Starting your day with a small win gives a sense of mastery and satisfaction. And most importantly, outer order helps turn into inner order. Step 3. Move. Stretch your body. Walk or do 10 push-ups. No need to hit the gym while doubting all your life decisions. Just do it. It's okay. Existential anxiety builds character. Step 4. Write. One goal, not 40. Not a 100-page journal to save your life. One clear goal. Writing it with strong focus gives your brain a clear path amidst 100 thoughts and distractions. It's like signing a contract with yourself. Today, my focus is this. Today, my work is this. Step 5. Learn. Read 2 pages of a book, watch an in-depth video, or listen to a podcast. Not those where 2 people scream, "Trust me, do this and you'll get rich fast." Learn something real about your brain, your body, science. Step 6. Sunlight. Maybe it seems simple, but neuroscience proves just 10 minutes of sunlight can boost focus and alertness by 80% and signal your brain, "Wake up, now is time to work, now is time to focus." Make sure it's direct sunlight, not looking through a window or in a way that harms your eyes. Just feel it on your skin. Step 7. Protect it. This hour is precious and sacred. No endless social media scrolling, no messages, no distractions. Nothing has the right to interrupt you until it's done. Pay close attention. This matters. Why does it change everything? It's not just morning. It's your identity. Who you become when no one is watching. Every time you get out of bed and do something purposeful, even when you don't feel like it, you're moving toward the future you want, not with words, but with actions. You're voting for the version of yourself that is focused, disciplined, respectable, trustworthy. Not the version that just almost started, not the one that just talks and gets distracted by some YouTube video about eternal love. The version that actually builds the life it wants. A simple calculation. 1 purposeful hour a day becomes 365 hours a year. 150 full days. 2 complete weeks of controlling your identity. Not compressed into weekends, not halfway, but deeply, layer by layer. And if you do this for 5 years, you essentially earn a master's degree in yourself while others are still scrolling Instagram, arguing about which actor gets cut from eternal love. Meanwhile, you're building your future. Not an online course, not a magical motivational video, just your phone alarm. Tomorrow, maybe yes. Next week, maybe not. But dedicate just 90 days for yourself. When no one is watching and you look in the mirror, you'll say, "I truly became the lead role of my life." In the mirror, you see someone who built their own future. Someone whose time is their own. Someone who no longer waits for life to happen to them. Of course, you can always hit snooze. Give your best brain to social networks and save the rest for your own goals. You can let another year pass while you sit and watch others living the life you only dreamed of. The harsh truth? 5 years will pass no matter what, whether you hit the alarm or not. Only one question remains. Will you be the one building your future, or the one sitting watching others succeed? If tomorrow at 5 a.m. you get up, leave a number 5 in the comments. The choice is yours. Just know this, if you hit the alarm this time, 90 minutes won't be wasted. A future is at stake. A life is at stake. So the choice is yours. What will you do? And now if you want to force your brain to do hard things, your next step should be this video.